Greetings, friends! Happy New Year's Day to all of you. So in this video, I will be sharing with all of you the latest fourth stimulus check news and information. President Biden is focused on passing more relief bills in Congress this year. The next batch of payments are beginning to be mailed out to all eligible Americans. Please, friends, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter my $100 Walmart gift card giveaway.
It's hard to believe that 2021 is coming to a close. But as we get ready to begin a new year, it's always an exciting time. It's pretty amazing to reflect on all we've accomplished this past year. We have made historic investments into West Virginia's roads, bridges, drinking water, and wastewater, better connected our communities with reliable broadband, made significant investments in West Virginia's education systems, defended the individual liberties West Virginians hold so dear, and put the Mountain State on a trajectory towards future success, and so much more. As we start the next chapter in 2022, it's important that we recommit ourselves to our shared goals and mission. Doing so will help us continue to move West Virginia forward. I cherish the opportunity to serve my fellow West Virginians in the United States Senate, and I am honored by the confidence you instill in me as a leader. Happy New Year, West Virginia! Our best days still lie ahead of us.
President Biden is staring down a number of minefields when he returns to Washington this year. Biden will have to tackle major issues, including getting this crisis under control after a severe surge during the holiday season. He will have to ensure that this crisis does not overwhelm the nation's health systems and the financial markets. President Biden will also have to try to revive talks about his signature climate and social spending bill to see if parts of it can be salvaged and then passed through Congress. He will do it in a midterm election year in which Democrats fear that they could lose the House. It is a daunting series of challenges as President Biden gets set for his second year in office. Every strategist and political observer agrees that President Biden's handling of this crisis will be his toughest and most important battle in the next coming year. The crisis surge has not yet shown signs of dampening the trajectory of the economic recovery, but it could worsen supply chain disruptions that have persisted since the beginning of this crisis. The new surge could also cause worried Americans to shy away from visiting restaurants and other businesses. The White House is keen to show that it is on top of the supply chain issues and inflation problems when going into the new year, after many officials were slow to combat Republican criticism of many rising prices. Officials, including Biden, have recently credited his decision to release millions of barrels from the Strategic Petroleum Reserve with helping lower gasoline prices, which are expected to continue to decline. But once again, inflation is expected to persist into the new year, and that the White House, which often answers inflation criticism by pointing to the need to pass Biden's Build Back Better package, they may need to adjust its messaging given the bill's dim faith. This crisis and its related economic shocks are not President Biden's only challenges. The president and Democratic leaders still need to find a way forward on legislative priorities, such as Biden's climate and social spending package and voting rights. President Biden has said he believes that passing his social spending proposals is very possible. But Democrats who hope to spend 2022 selling the legislation after it was passed are keenly aware of the clock and the looming midterm elections. So friends, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think President Biden is doing a good job as President of the United States? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is scarf. If you would like to enter next Friday's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like this video. Comment below the keyword from the video, and also please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. More than 800,000 stimulus checks worth nearly $575 million, are being paid out to eligible residents. Californians who meet the requirements could receive up to $1,100 in the latest round of Golden State stimulus checks. And then, according to a spokesperson from the California Franchise Tax Board, this next round of payments will most likely be comprised of mailed paper checks. About 9,000 direct deposits were recently issued, totaling just over $6 million. That means about 794,000 paper checks worth more than $568 million will continue to be mailed out to all eligible Californians. According to a spokesperson, the state of California has issued, or at least announced, more than $8 million of Golden State stimulus payments. Golden State stimulus funds were made available earlier in 2021 to all eligible taxpayers who have been affected by this crisis. The first round of payments went out to those who qualified and had filed a 2020 tax return. As an expansion to the original Golden State stimulus payments, the Golden State stimulus checks are available to those California residents who, number one, filed 2020 taxes by October 15, 2021, had a California adjusted gross income less than $75,000 for the 2020 tax year, were a California resident for more than half of the 2020 tax year, and are a California resident on the date that the payment is issued. Payments have been issued since October, with more to come in the new year. The payment schedule has been determined based on your zip code. The last round of payments, scheduled to be issued between December 27th and January 11th. So please, do make sure to keep an eye out on your mailbox. Friends, thank you so very much for joining me here today. I truly and greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. The winners of this week's giveaway are Lisa Whitmer and Patricia Clark. Congratulations to both of you. Remember everyone, if you would like to enter next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Click and like the videos, and also do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very, very blessed, happy New Year's.